Hi guys, I have tried to film a lot of intros. We're back with my video for my second look of Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. What? Look at her, she's gorgeous, So, this is the look that I am going to create with this lovely palette. You can see it is completely different than yesterday's, or look number one, depending on when you're watching this video. So stay tuned. I'm gonna go show you how I did this look. I'm loving it. It's a little bit more understated than the glitzy purple. So let's see how I got here. You guys, I'm crazy. All right, here we go. Stay tuned. Okay, I've got you zoomed in, and now we're going to be taking our Huda Beauty Desert Dusk, and I have my whole face done, minus eyes, lips, and highlighter. So let's get at it. So the first color I'm going to use is just this upper corner desert sand. So I'm actually going to be using that to set my primer instead of just my translucent powder, which I've used before. Except for, I usually do this immediately, and it looks like I have a little bit of a creasage, which I never do, but that's because I didn't set right away, you guys. That's why it's important to set. Lesson learned. Just talk about setting on camera, not actually doing it. Okay, here we go. Hopefully that doesn't mess up the eyes too much. So we are going to go in with the same crease brush I always use, the Morphe E22 brush, and whew, I'm going to be using this color Amber, which is kind of a rusty orange color. And I'm going to be using that as my transition shade. So this is going to be a little bit of a darker look than yesterday. Yesterday was like really bright and cherry and purple. Or I shouldn't say yesterday, but it was yesterday. But look number one. I'm not exactly sure when how I'm gonna post these, so that's why I'm like, I don't know. So I'm gonna do this just above my crease, you guys. Right there, above my crease as a transition shade, and just really blend. Blending is 100% key to making your eyeshadow look good. You really need to just blend it out so well. And I just use this back and forth windshield wiper fluid motion. Occasionally I do like a back and forth in like a little circular motion. I don't know if you guys can tell that I'm going circular. Probably it looks like it. Okay, so then I'm going to go in with saffron. Well, you know what, actually let's take Blazing. It's this dark orange color here in the corner with the more of the crease brush, which is M441 from Morphe. And I'm going to put that right in the crease. Make that crease really just pop. That really pretty orange. These colors, if you're not a warm person, this palette is 100% not for you, because these colors are so warm. They're so good. They're so pretty. Like, they knew what they were doing when they made this palette, let me tell you. I keep forgetting to look in the mirror that I'm literally holding up in front of my face. I keep looking in the phone. So I know that this is like really amateur hour as far as my filming goes, but I really hope that you guys enjoy and learn something, if not are slightly entertained. There are a million videos out there to watch, so I hope that you guys, I really appreciate you taking the time. Okay, here you go. So now I'm going to take, I don't even know if I have the right brush. Let's see. Yes, interesting. Okay, I have a double-ended brush from Anastasia, actually, that I'm just going to grab, and I'm going to take, oh my gosh, I don't even know how to say this. I'm going to be embarrassed. Ode, O-U-D. I hope that's the way you say it. Just like a brown color. I'm just gonna kind of look at it. Tap it, tap it, tap it, tap it. In there. And then I'm just gonna kind of go in a circular motion on the corner and on the inside. Just kind of make that and slowly bring it across. Just not very heavy in the middle. Just a little bit of that dark on the outside. Okay. Ooh, I like that. You guys, I want you to know that half the time I don't know what I'm doing when I get on camera. Like, I don't know what looks I'm gonna go for. I'm like think about it sometimes. Sometimes you're like, let's see the work. So it's half the time I haven't even done this look before. Like this one I haven't done before. I've used these colors. Just haven't done this look. Okay. So there we go. There's that. And then the last one we're going to do for the top colors are, I'm going to just use this like little flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm going to take my Max Fix Plus and spray it. Right in my mouth. I'm going to use this color Celestial. Hello. It's so pretty. Oh, I don't even know what side I sprayed it on. There we go. Let's see how well this actually picks up. There we go. That's pretty good. That's so pretty. I'm gonna kind of like press it in there. I almost feel like I should spray it or use my finger, but let's try spraying again since half of it went in my mouth last time. Okay. Oh yeah. I just didn't get it close enough this last time. I mean, yeah, it's a gorgeous color, you guys. Let's do this side. Okay, tappy, tappy, tappy in there. Make sure you've got it pressed in pretty well because this is like a pressed glitter, so you want to make sure that it's pressed down and tapped right in there, okay? And there you go. So let's add eyeliner under eyes. So my eyeliner, I'm always just going to use my Stila, not always. Right now I'm going to use my Stila All Day Felt Tip Liner. So I'm going to go do that and I'll be right back. Okay, now I have my eyeliner on for the top. I'm going to use the color Amber, whoops, that we first used, and tap that right underneath. Oh, that's like focusing on my eyes. Hello. I'm just going to do it all the way across underneath. And then I'm going to take the color Blazing, which was this dark color here. Sorry. I need to like put my phone on. Do not interrupt when I'm filming. I don't even like think about it. I'm going to go about 3/4 of the way with that. And then on the very edge, I'm going to do the brown color. There we go. Okay, so highlight. Holla, holla, holla. I'm going to use my Master Chrome by Maybelline. It's perfection and like the prettiest gold. Here we go. Oh, hello. She glows. She glows. Oh, goodness. I mean, it got a little heavy-handed there. It's really easy for me to do. I love it. All right. Hello. Okay. It's like on one side the highlighter's a little bit stronger than the other. You know, instead of trying to tone it down, why don't we just make it stronger? Okay, I'm gonna put my lashes, mascara, not my lashes, my mascara, my lips, and setting spray, and then I will come back. Okay, I'm back with the final look, you guys. So I have added my mascara, my corner highlight, and lips. So what I have on my lips before we wrap up is this Estate Pout Stick in Sweeter Season. So I think I actually got this from Lip Monthly, but I thought it was a really pretty color. And then I topped one of my favorite top coats. It's from Stila. It is the lip top coat. It's called Gliterattzi. Look at that. I mean, I don't know if you guys can appreciate the gorgeousness. It's so pretty. Anyways, it's one of my favorite top coats. It does dry a little bit, but I mean, look at that. I'm trying to go in. Go in! Come on, there you go. No, there we go. Nope, come on. Oh, it's just refocusing everywhere. Woo, hello. It does not show you how beautiful those lips are. Anyways. I don't know. I tried. Okay, so that is my second look from Huda Beauty. Huda Beauty. Thank you for joining me. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe, like the notification bell so you can get all the notifications when I upload videos, which hopefully will be a lot. And what else do I have to say, guys? Thank you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for sticking through this. I know, like I said, it's amateur hour, but I do have a love and a passion for makeup, and I appreciate your support. Okay, till next time. Bye.